The site is down in Takapuna near the beach and faces pretty much due north. We'd worked with the client for probably 10 years on other commercial projects, so we knew each other quite well. The main focus of the house is obviously the living areas. So we've got those towards the front and the north side of the house, with the pool off to the corner. The entranceway is sort of put into a slot down the side of the house, where we've got this sort of play between this upper level floating box and the main sort of spined concrete wall.
The materials in general that we've used throughout the house are a very natural palette, and they really work well with the exterior of the house because it's so well connected. And by using these really warm tones, we were then able to bring the furniture on top of that in lighter fabrics, darker timbers, bringing in the exterior cedar cladding, which we've used on the walls through the living area and up into the void, which is above the kitchen.
The client's an entertainer, and so we wanted to focus on the kitchen being the main heart of the house. We wanted to create this dramatic space over it, so we've made this double height area over the kitchen. The idea with the upstairs was to separate out the adults' room from the children's rooms. And we've got the main master bedroom at the front of the house looking over at the view.
The master bathroom feels quite luxurious when you walk into it, and it's just got this really beautiful warm feel, quite moody. We were able to collaborate with the architect early on, and I think that created a really successful outcome for the client.
I think the success of the end result is that even though it's in an urban area, we've designed the house to feel like a beach house, so it flows really nicely, it all opens up. And to me it feels really calm and relaxed, like a beach house should.